Alright, lads and lasses, little extra one here. Eagle-eyed, you will have noticed I meant to do this before and I never got round to it, so I'm really sorry. Okay, how do we do with airport summary? So I've added the airport summary in to the main data set, publish it as a secondary report. Dead easy to do. Okay, we've got the report page here. Okay, on the left hand side, I've got where people are travelling to the airport. So we've got where the destination is JFK. So we've got it filtered. So you can see JFK Airport. Okay, and that works really well. And we've got to do that across the whole side. Now, if you were doing it where effectively you could just filter on JFK, you could do it as a page filter. But because we've got JFK as a destination or as a pickup point, right, you've got to do it this way. So we're filtering on the visual. I was trying to rack my brains thinking, is there a way I can filter like a group? And I don't think there is. I'm hoping someone's going to go, no, you're wrong, mate. You know, you're an idiot. If you do this, it'll work, right? I'm pretty sure there isn't one, right? But, you know, if I'm wrong, I'm happy to be wrong. So we'll do this. We'll filter it to the airport in question across here. And then across on the other side, we're doing it where the pickup point is the airport. So where are you going to from the airport? And then we've got all the time brushes and everything there as well. Right. The thing we've done differently to these is we've put it so when you hover over it, give you a little bit of a breakdown over time of what's happening. So we can hover over Central Park there. We can see people picked up from Central Park going to JFK. And we can see there are places where no one's been picked up from. Works really well. Nice, easy to use, isn't it? Okay. And all we've done is copied the page a few times to have different ones. The tooltips, they're here. Their own pages for it. You've marked on the page information that it's a tooltip. You have to do that, right? And then we've got a filter just telling it what to filter on. So in this case, the pickup location ID for the airport pickup, and on the one that's the drop off, it's the drop off location ID. Okay, works really well. Champion. Yeah, so once you've gone through and you've saved it all up, all you need to do, hit publish. So go in, publish that. Okay, remember this is 009, use the filter in, dataset 9, NYC taxis. Jobs are good in it. Okay, that'll publish that off. Now, little surprise that I did. Now, publish it all up. Do you remember we said we had a look at the 2017 and beyond? It's like 3 full years and a half year. And I said, it's too big to just publish it up. You need premium. So I went through and I did some of the best practice tips and tricks using Vertipack Analyzer and that. What I've been able to do is publish it up. And what I've also combined in is this aircraft report, or the airport report. The airport report. What I've also done is I've combined in the airport report to it. So you've got one. Okay? And then the last thing I've done is I've published it up to the web so that any of you, all of you, can access it. So there'll be a link in it down below. There'll be a link to our website, Geordie Intelligence. And over on Geordie Intelligence, you'll be able to see and click through this report. You don't need a license. It's free. We've shared it with everyone, right? And start to explore it for yourself and have a look, right? So thanks for your continued support. Don't forget, like and subscribe down below. We're still starting out. We're still finding our feet. For all we're getting the end of our first season, we're now looking at the next 6 months, what we're planning to do, 6 to 12 months wise. Yeah, so like and subscribe. Send your comments in. Let us know what's going on. Let us know where your mind's at. Are we making it for you? Or we're just losing you? Anything. Let us know. So, till next we chat, eh? Ta-da.